Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Peruvian Lomo Saltado recipe, a feast for the palate. Our love for this homemade, juicy, tasty dish is greater than anyone can imagine. It is not of Peruvian origin but has an enormous Chinese influence, inherited from the thousands of workers who came to the haciendas more than 100 years ago. There is nothing more comforting and satisfying than this combination of flavors and textures, with its mix of native, potatoes, tomatoes, chili, and foreign, meat, onion, garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, ingredients. This preparation is super quick, it is done in a few minutes, and with the exception of the fries, you can have dinner ready on the table in a matter of minutes. To prepare any stir fry, we recommend having all the ingredients ready. I recommend using beef tenderloin because it is very soft, perfect for this dish. The loin, as well as all the vegetables, must be chopped and measured. After you sauté the meat in a very hot skillet or wok, you add the vegetables in quick succession, minus the herbs and liquids. The onion and tomato should remain crispy and almost raw, not overcooked. Ingredients: ½ kilogram chopped loin into strips, salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 red onion cut into thick wedges, 2 tomatoes cut into thick wedges, 1 yellow chili without seeds or veins, cut into strips, 3 tablespoons silao, soy sauce, 3 tablespoons red vinegar, ½ cup chopped cilantro, 2 cups of French fries, cooked white rice. Preparation: season the loin with salt and pepper. Heat a hot wok or frying pan over very high heat. Add the oil and let it heat well, then add the loin in parts, sautéing quickly so that it browns and does not become moist. Then add the garlic, onion, tomato and yellow pepper, sautéing very quickly for a couple of minutes. Now add the silao and vinegar to the sides of the pan, then mix everything, correct the seasoning, finally turn off the heat, sprinkle with coriander and serve immediately with French fries and white rice. Ready. Bon appétit!
Peru News Today. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.